This is Pre-Calculus A, Unit 7, Sequences and Series, Lesson 2, Arithmetic Sequences. We talked about sequences in general. A sequence is a list of numbers. It can be symbolized by the set A sub n equals 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and so on. Okay? It can have explicit formulas. The explicit formula would determine the term from the formula. So A sub n in this case equals 3 plus n minus 1 times 2. And the recursive rule would look something like this. A sub 1 is 3. A sub 2 is, or A sub 2 is, A sub n is A sub n minus 1, the previous one, plus 2. Okay, and there it is. I've just presented an arithmetic series. All right, so we have the explicit formula and the recursive formula. But let me explain what I just did. Okay. An arithmetic series is a series in which it has a common difference. Common difference. In other words, the difference between each successive number is the same. In this case, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. Okay? And it has a first term we'll call A sub 1, right? And we can write the formula for an arithmetic series if we know the first value and the common difference as the explicit formula. A sub n equals A sub 1. That looks like a D. A sub 1 plus n minus 1, that's the previous term. That's n minus, yeah, previous term, times the common difference, d, right? So the first term plus n minus 1 times d, okay? And then the recursive version is A sub 1 equals A sub 1, and A sub n minus 1 equals, or A sub n equals A sub n minus 1 plus the common difference d. Recursive and explicit. Let's do a couple more examples here real quick. Okay. So let's say we have the series 8, 5, 2, -1, -4. Okay? See what's going on here. The start value, the A sub 1, the first term, is 8. The common difference is minus 3. We're going down by 3 every time. So let's figure out the formulas. The explicit formula is A sub n equals the first term, 8, plus n minus 1 times the common difference, which is -3. This can be simplified, of course, to 8 minus 3n plus 3, which can be simplified to 8 plus 3 is 11 minus 3n. Okay? So do be aware there are different forms you can change the explicit formula to, but they are all built off the same thing. Okay, that's the explicit formula, and the recursive formula is going to be A sub 1 is 8, and A sub n is A sub n minus 1 plus, or plus -3. or minus 3. Okay, and that's really about it on this particular one. It'll be more interesting when we get to series and we start adding and subtracting, or adding up all the terms as we go.